first slime. This is a slime I've actually made in one of the challenges. And the texture is pretty nice, but not the looks. So we really need to deal with the looks. And there's also crushed up Orbeez. Ew. So I know how to make the perfect slime. So since the Orbeez are pink, we're gonna get some pink. I think a dark pink would do. And let's get some glitter. Ooh, this is really nice. Let's get that glitter. Holographic. Oh wait, I want some foam beads. Yeah. Okay, what color? I think we should do these. Actually, let's do some rainbow foam beads. Let's get 2 packs. And I'm done. You think that's pretty? Well, mine's gonna be even better. I'm gonna get some pink paint, some purple paint, and then some blue paint. I think I'm gonna get just some glitter. I got this iridescent glitter right here. It's so pretty. Okay, Maddie, are you ready to make the prettiest slime? Yeah, this is so easy. I think I'm gonna win. Whoa, 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 stop right there. We're gonna be timed. 5 minutes on the clock. Are you ready? No, I'm not ready. Starting now. Okay, I'm gonna add in my paint. Okay, we're adding the pink paint. Okay. Oh my gosh, everything's gonna turn pink. This is actually a light color, so it might turn pink. Probably, hopefully. Okay, so I split mine into 3 little sections, and I'm gonna make this one pink, purple, and blue. And then I'm gonna make it a swirl. I'm gonna win, obviously. Pink first. I'm already done with the color. Perfect color. Okay, now I'm gonna add in the foam balls. These are mini foam beads, or mini packs of foam beads, so that's why I got 2. Okay guys, I already got my pink. That was fast. Time for the purple. You're still in your colors? I'm already done with my color. I'm almost done actually. Whoa, this is actually really nice and pretty. Okay, I think I'm gonna add in my glitter now. Let's add in my purple. That's good. No! It's fine, totally fine. The purple is finally done. Now time for the blue, and I should be done. Iridescent. Okay. Keep on. Ooh, it's scented. I think that deserves an extra point because the purple is scented too. Look at that, guys. So nice and pretty. Dang it. Okay, I got all my colors. Now it is time to add in the glitter and I should be done. I still have a lot of time left. Mine is going perfect. And some glitter. 1, 2, and 3. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna win. I mean, I need to win. I had a great idea with mine. Okay guys, I am done. Maddie, what about you? Finished touch, and I am done. Guys, we finished and the timer is still going. That is the first. Wow. Woo! Okay, here's mine, and it is called Candyland. It's so pretty and crunchy. It's really nice too. I didn't even have to change the texture. This was like so quick. I'm actually really proud of myself. I love my slime so much. This is like, oh my gosh. Look how nice. And here is my unicorn slime. And I think I put them all together because I'm gonna make a swirl. So this is gonna be really pretty. Oh! there.
That's purple.
No, purple's right here. Let's mix it. I think I made the prettiest one. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, it's a pretty color. Turning into like a purple. Wow, mine is nice. Look at that. I think I won. Make sure you guys comment down below which one you think won. Definitely unicorn slime for the win.
Definitely candy slime for the win.
So it is round 2.
And the last slime was so easy.
Well, wait till you see this slime. It's gonna be way harder to change up. It might look pretty, but it can be prettier.
It's a glitter slime. Oh my gosh, it's actually really nice.
Oh, the texture though, I'm impressed.
The texture is like so nice.
It's
Oh
very
my
heavy.
God.
Why is it so heavy?
It's kind of jiggly. I'm actually loving this.
I've never felt this texture of slime before. This is really cool.
I
It's
don't actually want
heavy.
to change this at all.
Okay, so since this slime is red, I think I'm gonna get some white paint to make it pink. Right here, some white paint. Next, I want these little mini jars of glitter. They're so cute. Look at that. Let's pick this pink. And also, there's a daisy and a cactus. Oh my gosh, I want the daisies. They're so cute. They're so adorable. And, I think I should get maybe some fruit or some sprinkles. Oh, these beads are cute. I'm gonna go for the sprinkles.
Okay guys, so I want to make this a purple slime again. So we're gonna get some blue paint and also some purple just in case. And then let's see if there's any decorations. This is nice. I might get that too. These are really cute. Ooh, yeah, I might get this too. Yeah, I think I'm done.
3, 2, 1, start making it pretty.
Okay, get out of my blue.
Man, my white.
Oh no, that's a lot. Uh-oh. Oh no, hopefully it's good.
Ugh, this white takes forever to come out.
Oh my gosh. That's so nice.
Mine looks like it's turning a little lighter. I think this may be working. I was afraid to tell you the truth. And I really wanted, just in case I wanted purple paint, pink paint, but because I saw Maddie get extra, I'm like, you know what, never mind. Maddie, I don't think that's purple.
It is, but it's a dark shade. See, look, once you do that, it's purple.
She may be colorblind.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna add the purple now and see how this turns. I don't want too much because it's already a dark color. Okay. Flip, swirl. Looks like Priscilla is running out of white paint.
No, I'm not. It's just I don't want too much, like, I don't want my slime ending up like yours.
I didn't add a lot. Okay, now it's turning into purple. That's good. It's actually turning purple, you guys. I feel like I might need more. There's a lot of glitter, so you can't really see it that much. Oh.
Okay, I'm still mixing my white in. I want it pinker.
2 minutes, okay.
Okay,
Okay, mine's turning purple. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna add
I think I need a little bit more, but that's fine. It's okay.
Oh, got it. Okay.
Pink. That's all.
Okay, that's good. It's actually a purple color. It's a really nice color, actually. I like this. I was afraid at first. Oh, thank goodness it turned purple. Okay, I'm gonna add my beads. I'm just gonna add a little bit because I want to do a swirl.
50 seconds left.
Okay, I think I'm good. I think I finished. Wow, I finished before the timer. Yes.
I'm kind of finished too because I want to add this after a swirl, but mine looks pretty nice. The pink is actually really good. Glow up. Okay, I'm gonna add some sprinkles right before the timer goes, so I gotta hurry. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Just a little bit, because I still want to save some for the swirl. Okay, 7, oh my gosh! 6, 5, 4, 3,
I'm already
2,
done.
1!
Hands up!
Happy 4th of July! Happy New Year! Okay guys, here's my slime, and it changed a lot. It turned pink all the way from red. And I really like the pink, so I'm just gonna make a little swirl. It's really pretty and it's super stretchy. Make a swirl. I'm gonna add in some sprinkles and then some flowers. Slime, say cheese for the camera. Ooh, and then some like glitter. Oh my gosh, slime, say cheese for the camera. This kind of looks like a wacky ice cream sundae. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It reminds me a lot of summer. A lot. I really love the daisies. They're so pretty. Uh-oh, where'd they go? Yeah, they kind of disappeared, but that's fine. It's still really pretty.
Okay guys, here's my slime, and I'm gonna call this Stranger Slime because it kind of reminds me of Stranger Things. So yeah. It's like a dark purple with red glitter and some metallic beads. And also purple glitter. Swirl. Ta-da! Just add this whole thing. Some pearls, because we always need this to be a colorful thing. Okay, here it is, the Stranger Slime. Hey, come back here. Where did you go? Hey! Found it. Your timeout, girly.
Okay, so make sure you guys comment down below which slime you guys think is the best. And I really like Maddy's. It really does remind me of Stranger Things. It is so cool.
I know.
But mine's cooler. Black glasses on. So make sure you guys comment down below your favorite slimes. And today's shout goes to Miriam
And Taylor.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that bell button and comment